Good morning, children. This is Shribalsis speaking. Children, we have been dealing with exercise 3.2 of the chapter Understanding Quadrilaterals, chapter 3. And in the previous video, I had already discussed about question number 3. 1 to 3 is done. So I'm just giving start from question number 4 from this exercise. Children, as I say this word every time to your class, to you all, that reading the question, understanding the question is very important part of doing maths, because until and unless you won't understand the question, of course you won't be able to solve it. So how many sides does a regular polygon have if each of the interior angle is 165 degree? Children, there is a polygon, regular polygon. Each interior angle is 165 degree. This is 165, this is 165, this is 165, like that. Each interior is 165 degree, and what we need to calculate, we need to calculate each exterior, how many sides are there. Children, as we all know that if one interior is 165, what will be the measure of each exterior? We will just extend this line. Now question may come arise in your mind that why did I draw the figure like this? Children, because I don't know the number of sides. Until and unless I don't know the number of sides, how will I draw the figure? Not possible, right? So if one interior is 165, so the exterior would be, of course, 15 degree. Now question comes in your mind, how come? Children, if we extend one side, it is going to have be a straight line. And we know that on a straight line, adjacent angles are 180 degree. Sum of adjacent angles are 180 degree. So if one angle is 165, the measure of other angle is going to be 15 degree, of course, because 180 minus 165 is 15 degree. All right. Now, children, I got the measure of each exterior. We know a formula. We know that 360 degree by number of sides is equal to measure of each exterior. 360 degree by number of sides equal to measure of each exterior. Okay, children. So let us solve it. 360 degree by number of sides, we don't know for this figure, let it be x, and measure of each exterior is 15 degree. Okay, let us get the value of x from here. X equal to 360 by 15, because if we perform a linear equation over here, they will be cross multiplied. So 15 will be transposed to the right hand side, and that's going to be divided. So let us cancel. 15 to the 30, 6 and 0 out there, 4 15s are 60. So the measure of value of x is 24. Matlab, there are 24 sides. There are 24 sides for this figure, children. Number of sides we will get 24. I hope you all understood this. If no, then please do watch this video again. Let us talk about question number 5, one of the most conceptual question of this chapter. Is it possible to have a regular polygon with measure of each exterior angle 22 degree? Let us check it out. There is a polygon. Okay. Question is, if each exterior is 22 degree, 22, 22, then 22, like all the exterior are measuring 22 degree. Chalo, fine. Children, what do we know the formula? We know that 360 by number of sides is equal to measure of each exterior. ठीक है children? So simply if we solve it, let me erase this part a bit because I'm suffering with little space out here. So 360 by number of sides was we don't know, let it be x, and the measure of each extreme is 22 degree. So if we cross multiply and do solve according to the linear equations concept, so x will be 360 by 22. Children, 11 2s are 22, 182s are 36. Children, look very nicely over here. The value of x I'm getting 180 by 11. Matlab I'm getting something fraction. Children, few things cannot be in fraction, like number of human beings, number of animals, number of trees, number of sides of a polygon. They cannot be in fraction. Matlab we cannot have 2.5%. We cannot have 5.5%. We cannot have 10.5%, because these like figures comes always in complete number. Human beings always, number of people always comes in complete number or whole number. It cannot be in fraction. Similarly, a polygon cannot have a broken number of sides or a fractional numbers. Not possible. It should have always complete whole numbers. So as I'm getting the number of sides in fraction, it is quite obvious that the figure cannot be constructed only. It is wrong. Or with measure of each exterior 22 degree, we cannot have a regular polygon. That's all. So I believe it's clear to everyone. If no, then please let me know. Feel free to speak to me. Till then, thank you so much. Bye-bye. Take care. Have a nice day. Thank you all.